Hello guys, and how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Madella, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a winged eyeliner. I think a winged eyeline, it just looks so sexy. It can change the shape of your eye and it can change the whole physiognomy of your face. So you can do a black winged eyeliner, or you can do brown if you're blonde and you want a more natural look. Or you can do a color eyeliner like a blue, pink, whatever you think it's fun and you want to express yourself with. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so first what we have to do, you have to identify the shape of your eyes. So for example, my eyes are round, almond shape eye, it's gonna be slightly like this. So as you see, I do not have that. Another thing that's very tricky, my eyelids are hooded. So as you see, I'm gonna zoom in. So what it means to have hooded eyelids. So practically you see the skin that you have right here, it's kind of falling down on your mobile lid. And the fact that this skin, it's falling on your mobile eyelid, it leaves a very little space to do your eyeline here. If you have this shape of your eyes, you don't want to make a very thick eyeliner because it's not gonna look that good. There are certain rules that people are saying that it's best to do your eyeline, but sometimes you just have to adapt to your eye shape and to your eyelid. So that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so what I'm gonna start just to put a little bit of eyeshadow just to create a more lifted eyelid. I'm gonna go with Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here with a blending brush, and I'm gonna apply this in the crease. I'm also taking a little bit of this shade, so I'm gonna combine this and this shade. I'm just gonna take this color a little bit out and kind of connect it to the end of my eyebrow, something like that. So now you see a difference. Like now this eye looks less hooded than this eye. And now I'm just gonna take a little bit of a lighter shade. I'm gonna use this Smashbox contouring palette, and I'm gonna take like the powder shade of it, and I'm gonna apply it gently on the lid, just like right here. Okay, so next step, and the step why we are here, it's to use an eyeliner. And I'm gonna use the Clinique Pretty Easy liquid eyelining pen. I like this one very much because it's very easy to use. I quite have it for some time, and it might be a little bit dry, but yeah, let's just see what happens. Okay, so what we're gonna do, it's important to try to create this eyeline with our eyes open, because you don't want to do it with your eye closed and do it like kind of like this, and then when you close your eye you realize that there is a line cutting your eyelid, like this fold right here, which we want to avoid that. So it's better to kind of like fix some points where our line want to go, and trying to avoid to cut this fold that our skin does. So we're gonna try to follow the lower lash line. So I'm gonna make like a dot where I can go the max with my eyeliner. So I'm gonna do it like just like right here. I'm like literally wanna rest the hand on my cheek, and I have my elbow on my table, and what I wanna do, I wanna create a line like extending the lower lash line, and like kind of just drag it easy. So I created that line. So you kind of decide right now how long you want it to be, and I think will be next step, it will be easy to do the same thing on the other side, and to kind of like check if they are even, if one is like too up or too down, because it's just so annoying when one of the line is like perfect and the other one goes like more up, so more down, or more down. Okay, already made this a little bit too thick, but it's fine. If you did already your foundation, it's just best to go with a small brush and concealer to clean that. What I want to do right now is like go to the middle of this line and I try to make another line connecting my eyelash and kind of fill in that space. Alright, so that's like the beginning. Just gonna keep my eyeliner like this, flat, and I'm gonna draw like a very small line very close to our lashes. And usually I'm stopping right here, like where my iris starts. I'm just gonna make this more even, and I'm trying to connect and make like a smoother line. Try to keep your eye all the time open so you can see what you're doing, because if you're gonna close your eyes and you're gonna make this line like perfectly straight, when you're gonna open your eye it might not look that good. So now if you want to make this wing thicker, you can go from down and make it thicker. Yeah, just like that. And there you have it. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the other one too. So there you have it. Okay, next I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. So I can say that now my eyes look maybe less round and more like an almond shape. So it's kind of like this eyeline. I don't know if correct is the right word, because it's not like my eye shape or my eyelids are bad, but I changed the eye shape of my eyes. Now they look more long and more like an almond shape. This is a very simple way to do eyeliner. Of course you can add some more elements. You can do like a corner, a black angle here to make your eyes even more wide. If you guys consider that, oh, I don't have time for that, or I can never learn, or like I don't know, like try. I recommend maybe not in the morning, maybe when you are in a rush, but at night you get home, you're maybe ready to remove your makeup. Try then before you remove your makeup, because nobody is gonna see if you mess it up. Okay, you can use an eyeliner, you can do a pencil, you can use a brush and eyeshadow, and just try to practice. You know, practice is just the best way to to make something perfect. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to see more videos from me. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.